The National and State Assembly Election Petitions Tribunal, sitting in Enugu on Friday, nullified the election of Okimbo of the People's Democratic Party as the winner of the March 18th House of Assembly poll for the Kano East State constituency. The tribunal also ordered the Independent National Electoral Commission to conduct a rerun election in the affected polling units within 90 days. Mbo is representing Governor Peter Mbo constituency at the State House of Assembly. The Labour Party candidate, Mr. Okudrinoji, had petitioned the tribunal, challenging the declaration of Mbo as the winner of the election, citing overvoting and other electoral irregularities. Academic record, article asks court to overrule Tinubu's objection. Delivering judgment in the petition, a three-member panel of the tribunal led by Justice Edioni Buke nullified the election and ordered a rerun in some polling units in Ogboka and Owo wards where election results were inflated in favor of the second and third respondents. The court held that the election and return made by INEC on March 18th for the Kano East constituency fell short of all indices of a credible, fair, and transparent election on the condition that the said election was marred by gross substantial non-compliance with the Electoral Act. The tribunal held that the number of votes was higher than the number of registered and accredited voters in those areas and faulted the return by INEC.